make it last for.
Open up. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'll surrender it. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. Yeah. You can make me move. Can make me.
And for the trading bots, stay for the fun. Happy trading, everyone. My name is Xauusd, and welcome to some live session here. 2 seconds. I'm just gonna update VIP real quick here. Let's see here. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. Exactly what we talked about doing VIP, guys. Exactly what we talked about doing VIP. I know you guys who are watching right now, you're not on VIP, but I'm just saying that because I talked to them about this on Zoom, that, you know, just wait for price to, it doesn't matter. Anyway, I'm here. I'm here. Hello, you think short from there? I'm already in sell, bro. I'm already in sell. Here on Twitch, we are looking for a sell below this level right here. If we can get a 15-minute bearish closure below here, below 62, I would like to take a sell down. Yes, very much. Very much. Very much. Very much. Okay, we got a 15-minute bearish closure there. So let me see if I can get that retest here. That's what, 60. I would like 62 if I can get it. I cannot get it. I cannot get it, right? I cannot get it. I can get it. Oh, I cannot get it. Can I get it? Can I get 62, bro? Can I get 62? Oh, maybe we can. Let's see. Can I get it? Can I get 62? Can I get 62, bro? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come on, come on, come on. Give it to me. Give me 62. 62, bro. Yes, I'm in, guys. I'm gonna add a sell here, right there, and put stop loss just above here. And then we're gonna take price down here. Let me know entry. I'm gonna sell here. USD. Sell now. 21503. Stop loss 12,001. 3. EB1 is gonna be the what's called 34. EB2 is gonna be 105. EB3 is gonna be 4080. Alright. Alright. Let me know if you took the trade with me. You came at the perfect time, guys. You came at the perfect time. We are going to add a sell here. We have stop loss above the highs. We are in this 15-minute channel here. So we got ourselves some resistance here, and that is from this sweep of this high right there. And then you got a double top right there. You started the channel, and then you came down, you filled it and create that channel right there. So this is the channel we're in right now. So since we then come up to this top here, now I'm expecting price to come down to this bottom here. So 4,100, right? So that's why we took this sell. Also, we got a 15-minute bearish closure here, and then we got a retest on 62 after we came down to 56. So I'm expecting price to come down my way here. Also because we filled the entire fair value gap. There's no fair value gap, so there's nothing to come up after. Maybe price wants to come up and retest this order block here, but let's see. It's okay. We got stop loss above. Okay, so let's see, guys, if we can come down from here. Hello, missed it. Well, you can still get in. We had entry, bro. Like what? Hey, I have a nice trades, everyone. Hey, Akim, how's it going? Hey, Asion, Husky, yo, Rule, M7, Peter, hey, Obits, Johnny, Abo. How's it going, everyone? Hope you're doing well. Let's go. All right, guys, we are moving here. Moving above. Let's see. Can we get it? Can we get 100 pips, guys? Come on. We get 100 pips. Can we get 100 plus pips? Come on. 52 right here. my friend? Give it to us. Let me know, Intricus. See? Come on. Come on. Yalla barakribe. Come on. 10 pips more. Come on, guys. Come on. 10 pips more. Come on. Push it. Push price. Guys, let's do it as a unit. Push. 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 No, 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 no. You're going the wrong way. Bro, no. No.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
Come on.
No!
FBI, open up!
Come on, Goldie. 10 pips more. Come on, bro. Don't be a pussy now. Come on. Don't be a pussy, Gold. I know you want to come down to that sweet missing bottom wig here and feel all these verbally gaps here. Come on. I know you want it. I know you want it so bad. You want it so freaking bad. I feel it. I feel it. Come on.
Order filled.
See. Let's see. Don't be shy, Gold. It's a teaser. It always wants to tease, bro. Always wants to tease, man. Freaking teaser. Come on. Goldie, I will whip your ass. Come on. Come on. Goldie, come on. I will whip you. What's this? Lovia, hey, how's it going? Leon. What is this, guys? What is this? Is this teasing land or what? Not Wonderland, but teasing land. Go get the fuck down. Get the fuck down. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Almost there, guys. Just do it. Do it. Just do it. Do it. Do it. What is this tease, man? Can you just close berries now? Huh? Yeah, goal. Come on. Come on. I know you want to. Come on, baby. Come on, right there. Give it to us. Yes. Yes. Come on.
FBI, open up!
Yes, goal. The dance. The bulls are here. I don't see any bulls, bro. Ba-ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Look at that.
It's so big!
Oh my god.
Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running?
It's so big!
Why are you running?
How many lots you use, bro? This is just a sell, bro. I'm looking for buys. I'm looking for buys from 3,976. So I'm just selling down to buy up. So it's just like 0.1 and 0.5. I take 1 lot, 2 lot, 3 lots for the buys, but for the sells, I keep very, very low lot size because I don't want to try to sell too much in a counter trade, you know? Just waiting for the retest around 4,000. Then I will buy. Then I will get in for the buys. I'm already in at 52. But it's, you know, I don't see price go up before we get that retest. Let's get that TP. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, little friend. What is your problem? What is your problem? Get down. Get to the chopper. Get to the chopper. Get down. Get to the chopper. Get down. Come on, bro. You're 30 pips away from 100 pips, man. Let's get that 100 pips. Get a 100 pippy. 100 pippy right here. Just below this wick here. 100 pippy. 100 pippy right here, man. 100 pippy. 100 pippy. And also, my friend sent a message to the admin. Which one? You use this one, right? You use this one? Abby, you use this one, right? Join future orbits. There it is, guys. 100 plus pips. Let's go. Risk-free. Stop loss just below entry for risk-free trade. Boom. Right there. There it is, guys. Risk-free. Stop loss at BE 4,161.8. 100 plus pips. Right there. Partial taken. Boom. Eden. You got it, guys? Yes? Good? You good? Yes? Everybody wish free? Yes? You got it, guys? Everybody good? Let's go. Boromia. Yes, Abby. All right. I will call my team. Right. All right, bro. They should reply to you now. Can we enter now? No. We're running 100 plus pips in profit, bro. So if you want to enter again, gotta wait for another 15-minute candle closure, a fair value gap, and then if you get a fair value gap, you can enter in the fair value gap. But first, you need to see that we stay below 58 here. See, guys, we're gonna be in the trade. Do 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 do. Okay, guys, we are above 58 now. Let's see how the candle is going to close. If the candle closes above here, then it's going to be difficult, right? To stay in the trade. But then we can get another trade. Let's see. Did we flip here? Continue up here. If we flip, it's a nice top wick here at 59. Let's go to TP2. Yeah, if we can flip it. Market's going so slow today. We don't have time for this. We should be at 5,000 on Monday. We don't have time for this, bro. Gotta come down and sweep 4,000 so we can go up to all-time high. We do not have time for this. If we don't go down Monday, we're gonna go to the 29th of July. But I wanted it to happen the 10th of July, Friday. Seems very, very difficult now. Because price is going so slow. You dump and just go straight down to 4,000 and then sweep that and then it should go up. Take out 4,300. Close above 4,300 and then tomorrow we should close above 4,500. And then we should struggle during the next news here on Thursday between 4,400 and 4,600. Eventually close above 4,600 and then go up and tap for 5,000 on Friday. That's what should happen, but it doesn't seem likely now because price is going so slow. Yes, I get an answer. All right, nice. Mom Trade, hey, how's it going? How's it going, Mom Trade? How we doing? What is it doing now? It's retesting the choke. The choke. Is that what you mean? Just got in. Have you mentioned your expected low? Yes, 3,976. That's my expected low. 3,976 to 4,030. That's my expected low. So I'm gonna buy here and I'm gonna buy here. Bro died. Yep. Okay, guys, we tapped 59, but we did not take out 59. We just tapped it. We didn't close there. So closure in 8 minutes. Thank you so much. Let's go gold. Let's hit the 3,976 and go all-time high. Yep. That's what I want. That's what I want, Bubsy. That's what I want. Come on, flip it. Flip it till you crib it. In the hibbit of the mibbit. Come on, blib it. Mibbit a kibbit. Libbit a bibbit. Go. Yeah. Look at that. Flipping. Beautiful. And we didn't hit B. B-A, beautiful. Come on, little friend. You want to go down here. Then I want to see taking out 20 and 10. Sweeping 4,100. Then come down. Fill this entire fair value gap at 69. Then take out this low. And then come into some of these fair value gaps here. And then grab that liquidity and my bottom wick. Missing bottom wick here at 76. Right there. See that, guys? See that? Right there. Missing bottom wick right there. 3,975.7, but with spread 76, right? See that? This one, order block, tapped into the order block. And then a long bullish candle here. Then we closed above here. Came down, retested. Very good bottom wicks here. Order block, retested the order block. Trinity here. Order block. And then you have a missing bottom wick there. So everything is completed here. We just need to come down here. Down there. Can it do that in one session that far? Doing the Asia session, yeah, so it can. Doing the Asia session, have you seen what can be possible doing the Asia session? Look at this, bro. Here, look at this. This was at 0, 0. Asian session started, right? It went from here, 4,030, and look where it ended, bro. Like, it came up here doing London. This is from Asia to London, right? And London to New York here. And then from New York, right? Like to here. And then Asia. So yeah, it can definitely, if it can go here, 3 sessions from, what is it here? It started here. Yeah, if it can go from 4,052 to 4,195 in 3 sessions, then I can tell you in 3 days, you can do a lot more than that. Can do a lot more than that. I hope that the news on Thursday is priced in already. I really hope so. Okay, guys, we're flipping. Come on. Let's see. AOO bitch, joined late. Any chance I can intersell? No. We are in here, bro, from 62 to 63. We are risk free. We got 100 pips partial. So I'm waiting for another closure below, leaving a fair value gap. Then you can enter from the fair value gap, but not now. No. Unless we come back to entry and get bearish confirmation. But remember, when we're in profit and we're running in profit, you do not FOMO. You do not suddenly get in. You wait for the next trade. Be safe, bro. Do not FOMO at the moment. No, I'm not FOMOing. I never FOMO. So the spike up earlier was manipulation. Yeah, there was just to sweep out the high. Yeah. That's why I sold in VIP, bro. Why? Let's see. Can you just close bearish so we can take the next candle down, please? Oh, it's going too slow. It's going way too slow. Way too slow. Wait, who was talking about news on Thursday? Nothing is happening on Thursday. The unemployment claims is even a orange folder. Ah, there's no news this week. No, so fuck that. No, there's no news, guys. There's no news. Nothing is gonna happen. So hopefully we're just gonna go down to 3,976, and then we're gonna go to all-time high. FOMC meeting. There's no FOMC meeting, bro. There's FOMC meeting minutes. Not the actual meeting. This is just the meeting minutes. It's just the journal. It's the protocol. Like they're just gonna discuss what's gonna happen during the next FOMC meeting. Here, let me show you FOMC. We just had it, bro. Meeting minutes doesn't mean anything. It's just a protocol. There you go. That's the FOMC meeting. FOMC statement. FOMC press conference. Federal funds rate. That's FOMC. There you go. Red folders. Very shiny red here. Very dangerous. Ooh, be careful. Funds rate. Statement. Press conference. That's FOMC. 29th of July, as I said. 29th of July, right? Meeting minutes doesn't mean a fuck ton. They're just gonna make a protocol for what's gonna happen during the FOMC. That's it. Protocol. Like, why people always think like when it says FOMC meeting minutes that it's FOMC? It's not. They're just doing the protocol. God damn. We're expecting a big effect on gold. No, I'm not expecting anything. I'm expecting a choppiness. Meeting minutes. You're not gonna know what they're gonna do during the meeting. It's just a meeting. Look at this. You got no numbers, bro. You got no numbers. They're just gonna talk. And they're not gonna talk live. They're just gonna talk in their little room, making a protocol, filling some papers. It's not a press conference. Not gonna do anything, bro. Thank you. They're trying to shake us with the red folder. Yep. You need to understand the difference between the FOMC meeting minutes and then also the FOMC press conference and Federal Reserve. Federal funds rate. All these English words, it's like making my mouth go gibberish. Okay, guys, we got a 50-minute bullish candle, and then we now got a 50-minute bearish candle. Yippee-ki-yay, nothing is happening. Yoo-hoo! Come on, gold. Ugh. One person in my VIP said like, oh yeah, there's gonna be a lot of things on Thursday. So I was like, oh, damn, are we gonna have like an extra FOMC or NFP or something like that? But it's just if it's just meeting minutes. I love that you play music even though absolutely nothing is happening. It's just like, what's going on here? It's just going so slow. Like, and I don't really have time for this, you know? Like, okay, let me show you what I'm seeing here, what's going on. So this is what's gonna happen, right? Tuesday should go like this. 4,200 down to 4,000, right? Maybe 3,976, right? That's what should happen today. If that doesn't happen today, then I'm not gonna meet my expectation on Monday. My expectation would be 5,000, right? So this is what's gonna happen. Then Wednesday, what's gonna happen is that we're gonna start the rally, right? From 3,976 to 4,030, and then we will take out the 4,300, right? That's what should happen Wednesday, correct? And then Thursday, then I would like to see that the whole move that we're going to see from FOMC here in the end of the month, the 29th July, will be priced in, and that's why you will see start, where you will see gold go from 4,300 to 4,600, right? And then we'll have some choppiness at the end of that session, and we will be around 4,400, 4,600, right? And then you want to see Friday fake out everyone and make people sell again, 4,400, and then it will end or 4,600, maybe 4,400 is too much, maybe 4,500, 4,700, right? And then you will either end with gold at 5,002 or 5,005, just close above 5,000, or 4,998, you know, something like that. And then Monday open will either have a gap to the downside, so we're going to have a huge gap come down, retest 4,750, or we're going to have a big gap to the upside going up to 5,200, right? That's what I want to see. But that's not happening if price is going so freaking slow now. That was my initial target, right? 10th of July would be 5,000. But if nothing's going to happen here Tuesday, we're just going to be stuck in consolidation, then Wednesday would have to start the rally, and which means we have to go down to 3,796 to 4,030. And if that happens, that means Thursday should be the move where we start the rally. But then it will not have the time, because it will be 4,030, maybe 4,300, maybe 4,400, right? Can be done, but it's going to be very difficult. And then Friday, we have to chop either above 4,500 or be lucky to close above 4,600. And if it rallies up to 4,800, I mean, it's nice, but not what I want, you know. So yeah, it's gonna be slim now. So my 10th of July goal at 5,000 is becoming more and more 29th of July, right? So yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I'm okay. As long as price goes my way, then it's fine. Just like I don't understand why price is going so slow. Like the Federal Reserve's meeting, the 29th, it should be priced in. They should see that Kevin Walsh, he wants rate cuts in October and not rate hikes. Everyone is like expecting rate hikes, but it's gonna be rate cuts, and then price should be priced in. So we should close above 4,400 either today or tomorrow. And that's not gonna happen if we cannot come down for the dip first. So that tells me that if price comes down here, takes out 4,100, would that be enough to us for start rallying up to 4,200, 4,300 now? Like, I'm just curious. Like, it seems so odd that we had last week to be stuck in all this bullshit. Like, what is this? Price should start move. We already got the bottom. We already got the bottom. Like, the bottom here it's very easy to see, right? Like, you can have sweeps, but this is the bottom, 4,942, right? Because this is not a lower low. This is a lower high, right? And if you look at the RSI, right? If you look at the RSI here, you can see we have divergence, right? On a daily. You see that? Look at this, guys. Zoom in. Right? You see that? Low, not lower low. And then again, low, not lower low. You see that, Trinity? So price should come down, retouch here, and then close up above 50, make an all-time high, right? But price is going too slow for the whole move to happen. It's like it doesn't have time. Unless something crazy is gonna happen on Friday and we just go up 5,000 pips. Like suddenly, like just fly past everything, right? But I don't think we have time, to be honest. So 29th of July will be my new, that will be my new 5,000 goal. Here we go, dumping, let's gold. What do you guys think? Well, what are you guys looking for in terms of when you're going to see all-time highs? July or August or September? You know that Bitcoin will be at all-time highs either October, November, or December. We gotta have new all-time high in December or November. Question is just if it's gonna happen in October or it's gonna happen before that, or it actually is gonna happen like it happened last time, right, in December. But we need to start moving, guys. We are running out of time. Down to 46, 47. We need to come down here to 34 right there. 34, 33.8 would be would spread. Nice. Give gold a red card so Trump can reverse it. Yeah. I mean, the reversal has already started, you see? This is showing you that we're bullish, right? Because if gold was bearish, it will continue create new lower lows. But what you're seeing here is that you're fighting, right? You gotta bounce, 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 right? So when price comes down, grab that liquidity, then you can start rallying, right? Because then you have like you got the structure, right? You know what I mean? So one more low, but all I want is 4,030 here to sweep that liquidity here, or my target, right? For 3,976, right? Price can just come down here again, then I'm good for all-time highs. But if price decides to come down, sweep 30, and then go to all-time high after that, it's also okay. But it's just a little bit. I'm not satisfied, you know. Like it's like that. It's like that. It's like that feeling in me saying that we could go lower whenever price starts moving up. That's why I don't want price to move up suddenly, because I want structure to be filled in. I want it to be like, you know, price doesn't go like this, right? It doesn't go like this. It goes in waves. So once you have that wave to the upside where you broke the high, then you need that sweep of that liquidity to get the next high. You know what I mean? So if price starts going like this, that gives me all the reason to think that price will come down one more time and sweep that low. And I don't like that. That's why I want to see this. Now we're moving here a little bit, right? But it's not a flush, you know. It's just like it's so slow. It's so freaking slow. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, I'm just being grumpy here while you guys are making profits. Let's go. All right, guys, we are moving here from 62 to 52, 100 pips, and then an additional here, almost 200 pips. When we come down to 42, that will be 200 pips. Okay, let's see. We can come down to 200 pips. Almost there. Good. Okay, you're showing us the bigger picture. Yeah, exactly. That's and that's my overall goal, is to ride the big wave, right? I don't care about these small trades. I want the big wave, you know? Want the big moves. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. And if you don't already know, guys, we have VIP $149 for 1 month, and we have bootcamp, we have one-on-one session, and that is everything that costs money. But if you want free stuff, we have copy trading, which is 100% hands-free and 100% free. You just put the funds you want me to trade for you, and then every single trade you take on your own trading account will be copied. Sorry, every single trade that I take on my trading account will be copied to your trading account. So you don't do anything. It's 100% hands-free, 100% free, right? When I take a trade, for example, if I took this trade here, it will automatically be copied to your account. But let's say you don't have the kind of funds because you need $1,500 plus, right, to do the copy trading, because trading is very risky and right now it's very volatile, and you know we have Trump. So $1,500 plus is, you know, it's more safe, right? If you don't have that kind of money, then we also have account management, and that's where you don't need $1,500+, but then it's not copy trading, it's me trading for you on my own account. So that will just be you putting funds from your crypto or your account to my account, and then I will put it on top of my funds, and then I will trade it for you. So we have copy trading, we have account management, right? So it's up to you if you want the free stuff, or you can just watch this live stream and turn in with me every single Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or you can try to check out these offers we have here. Just reach out to my team, let them know if you're interested. But yeah, we are running 100 plus pips on gold. Oh. Dumping. Here we go. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Orbits, have you considered the IP option? I listened to it, yes. I haven't considered it yet because I haven't have time to sit and figure out like how I would do that. Like, you know, for example, you could reach out to me like as an individual and we can have a deal with that. But like, I don't know how I could, you know, do that with multiple people because I would have to make sure that the person is on my link and I would have to set it up to my IB account, and it's a lot of work, bro. It's much easier to just, you know, forward you to the team and then the team just take the payment and then they add you in the VIP. The other thing, I have to check the email, I have to check the name, I have to check if they're verified, I have to check if they have done the address verification, and then I have to check if the IB goes through, and it's a lot of work, man. And especially if I'm doing it for multiple people, right? But it's something that I'm considering, yes, it is. Let's see, guys, if we can manage to come down and fill this wick here. Nice bottom wick here from 43, though. Really nice. You guys, moving a little bit up here. Now we're stuck in this 15-minute consolidation here. See if we're gonna break the high or break the low. So, are we gonna move or not? Welcome to another consolidation Twitch stream. Yeah. Someone said to me that it will not break the NFP day candle. Is this true? No idea, Ashen. My buys are 4,030 and for 3,976. We can manage to come through this here, then we will not come down to my targets, which would be very odd because then price would be stuck here without filling this gap here. And it seems odd. It seems odd that you're not filling the gap. We usually fill the gaps. Usually. And especially NFP and FOMC, like a few days after NFP and FOMC, that's usually when you come down and fill the gaps. You come down and fill the gap today, not tomorrow. If we keep making, you know, lower lows, lower highs here, right? Right now, it just seems like we're stuck in this consolidation here. 15. But yeah, guys, imagine if we just get stuck in consolidation and you don't know personally where you want to take price, and you maybe have a loss and you have a win, and you just have a job and you have a full-time job, and you also have wife and kids, and you have too many things on your plate, and you just want trading, right? Then I can do hobby trading or account management for you, right? 100% hands-free. Okay? And it's 100% free. All you got to do, you provide the funds, right? Of course, because, you know, I'm trading for you, right? So it's your funds. So for copy trading, it's $1,500 plus, right? And not everybody has that. But if you, not everybody has that. So that's why I also provide the account management. But the account management has nothing to do with my team. That's simply just me taking your funds, putting them on top of my account, on top of my funds, and then I will be trading them for you. So the difference here is that here it's your account. You make a new account on our broker, you put the $1,500, and then I only trade your funds. That means when the $1,500 is all I have to trade, right? That's all I can trade. But if you do account management, let's say you only do $500, then I put that $500 on top of my money. So that means I'm trading your funds plus my funds, right? So that's the difference. You don't have to provide $1,500 with account management, but for cover trading, you have to, because it's your funds, it's your own money, right? Only, and yeah, we want to make sure that that's safe. So for cover trading, reach out to my team. Account management, you can reach out to me directly. Okay. Hello, Space. Hello, Maxe. Okay. How are you, Space? How are you, Maske? Did you join the trade here, or are you still waiting for a new trade? Checking the links now, guys, because I've heard about a lot of scams. Checking here. Yeah, good. Good, good, good. Okay, it looks good. It looks fine, thank you. Came late for follow the trade. Hope in the next one. What about you? Yeah, I'm doing well. I'm doing well. I'm just a little bit, I'm a little bit concerned about like the uh the speed of gold. Like we should be down at 4,000 now space so that we can buy for the all-time high. It seems like price wants to be stuck here for the whole July month, and I'm not digging that. I'm not digging that. I want to see price come down to 4,000 retest and then go to all-time high. I want to see price be at all-time high on Monday, but it's not gonna happen now because it's going so slow. It already have been down at 4,000. We can buy for all-time highs. Should have happened yesterday. Didn't happen. Crazy. Crazy. We're gonna be stuck in consolidation for this week, I guess. Is there no news? Guys, 2 minutes, then the hourly will close. Gotta stay below 58. One minute. We get a closure below 52. Okay, looks like we're gonna close here, guys, at 54. Yeah. Okay, so hourly just closed like this. So now you can move your top wick here down to 54. That means after we see a top wick from 54, you should continue down. Okay, we're moving. Hi there, Mr. Trade. Bilcon Gaming, it will be much easier for you if you join the VIP or if you did join the copy trading, then you can get all the trades. Or you can get the next one. If there will be a next one, because right now we're just consolidating. I'm looking for the confirmation for the next trade, but it's not really giving it to me. Cheers. because I was coughing. No, sorry, not coughing. Because I was moaning. Cheers. See you soon in VP. Have you? Did you take the trade from VP? Happy? Oh no, you're the one who was reaching out to my team, right? You're the one who was reaching out to my team. So you purchased? Happy? You're in the VP? You went through? They will add you in VP then. Nice. Then you can also see the sell we took today. I'm looking for my next trade. Welcome to the family, Abby. Welcome to the team. Let me give you VIP then. Go. Should also have. There we go. There you go. Abby, now you have VIP badge here on Twitch as well. I will always remember you. You always trade every day. No, I trade Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday for VIP. But I have signals Monday to Friday. Yes, I do have signals from Monday to Friday, but I trade live Tuesday to Thursday. And for copy trading, I pretty much take trades whenever I see a setup, right? So yeah, you can say I'm trading every day, but I'm just, you know, when you say you trade every day, I'm feeling like you know, these people who are like scalping, you know, under 1 minute and 5 minutes and just taking trades all the time, like taking 10 trades a day and stuff like that. I don't do that. I take 1 to 2 trades per day, right? So I take the big trades. The one that usually go 100 pips plus, right? So we already went 100 pips plus here from this trade, and also from VIP we took the sell here at the 73. So that one is already running 200 pips in profit, right? Ciao Obits. Come entro nella VIP? Aqui. Team. Aqui, my friend. Mi amigo, aqui. La tua VIP. Oh, and that much Spanish I cannot do, bro. I can say estuve in Málaga por 3 semanas. I can say mi llamo future obits. It's Italian, not Spanish. Oh shit! Sorry. It sounded Italian. Sorry, because like como, like it's like it's also Spanish, you know, like. My friend, you said, ciao, obits, come entro nella VIP. It's like almost the same in Spanish. Like, hola, obits, como entra el VIP. It's almost the same. You know other languages? I know a little bit of Spanish, yeah. I know a little bit of Swedish, and I know a little bit of German. But know a little bit of French, but not like not like something you will be like, oh yeah, I can have a conversation with you now. Oh, just words, you know. And then, oh my god, guys, the biggest the biggest thing just happened to me. I was playing Valorant, right, and I realized I've been thinking I was saying Russian words all the time, but actually it's Polish words. Gulva, like Polish. It's not Russian. I thought it was like, thought it was Russian. So I was saying like, oh, you speak Russian. Oh, you're from Russia, right? But no, it's from Poland. From Poland. So I went around to the Russian people in Valorant saying like, kurva. thinking that they're Russian, but it's Polish. It's Polish, man. Polish swear word. Yeah. So it's like I have entered. Where have you entered entertainment, bro? We entered at 61. Sagil's in, Sagil's out. Yep. Let's go raid. So raid Sobits. Where are you from? I'm from Scandinavia, Moscow. But I've been in Spain for 3 weeks. I've never been to Italy. Maybe I have when I was a child. I don't know. I don't recall. I don't remember. Maybe. Wait. Have I? Let me just see here the map here. Let's see. Okay. Let's see here. The bigger map of this. Here you go. Oh, I have been to Italy. You have, oh, yeah. I've been to Florence. I've been to Rome. Oh shit. Okay, I have been to Italy then. All right. I've been anywhere else? I've been to Venice as well. Okay, I've been to Italy 3 times, I guess. Yeah. When I was a child, I've been there 3 times with my parents. Yeah. Cool. I knew Rome was in Italy, but I didn't think about it. But when I was like, Rome is in Italy. But yeah, it is. It is. Guys, I'm good at many things, right? But geography is not one of them. Like, that's you can give me a GPS and I will still, be lost. That's why, like, when I use GPS, right, with the car, I'm like, putting it on very, very high audio so that they will tell me like, oh, in 200 meters, go left here. And then it will repeat it again. In 200 meters, go left here. And then I will know, okay, I have to go left here. But I will not know what road I'm on, where I am, which city or anything. I'm just following the GPS like 100% because I cannot find around in a phone box, in a phone booth. You should try play GeoGuessr. If price goes back to entry, can I enter the trade? No. If price goes back here, you're gonna be bullish, bro. If price goes up to 58 or 59, yeah, you can enter, but 61, do you see? Like, if you look at this formation, if you look at this structure, bro, what would make you enter at 61 again? Do you see that we already been filled here? Why would price stop here if it goes up here again? If price goes up here again, then your next entry would be 66 or 78 or 50% here around 72, right? But there's nothing at 61. So if you go up here again, you're gonna be bullish until 66, right? So don't enter here again. We only entered because the 50-minute closed bearish, and then we retested, built that fair value gap, right? That's why we entered. So no, guys, sometimes don't enter again when you see we're already running in profit. It's not good. For me to enter for a second trade, I would have to see a bearish candle close below here and then a retest, right? Best thing would be bearish closure here, fair value gap, and then retest into the fair value gap. That would be the best scenario, right? But I cannot ask about that. GeoGuessr, you said. GeoGuessr, let's see. What is that? GeoGuessr. Oh, it's a video game. Let's explore the world. Okay. Continue. All right. But bro, I don't know anything about geography. Okay, what is this? Okay, I choose my avatar. Okay. All right. Why does they look so horrendous? Okay, that's cool. Oh, that's cool. That's cool, bro. Is it like a GPS? This one is cool. It has sunglasses. Okay, cool. Hi, future Obis. Want to learn the basic of GeoGuessr? I'll help you. No, thank you. I'm good. Free to try, of course. Edit avatar. I don't care. Play now. Yo! What do I do? What should I do? Place your pin on the map. How the fuck would I know? There's a building, there are some cars. There's a trail, like a train trail. How do I go back? Hello? There we go. Okay, so there are some bushes here, and there's a stop sign here. This is definitely not Scandinavia. Oh, okay. I mean, this looks a little bit like tropical, I would say. Right? And these apartments here. Yeah, definitely some tropical something. Okay. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Wait. Definitely some tropical going on. Yeah, the sun. Look at that. See that? There is some very tropical plants here as well. This is definitely a tropical country. These houses looks like. I mean, is this? Can I zoom in? This like. Is this Mexico or what? Yes. What was it? What is this? Milan? What is that? It's between France and Italy. What is this? Between Switzerland, France, and Italy. Oh, it's Italy. Bro, you should have known that, man. You're from Italy, bro. You should have. Why didn't you say Italy? Okay, but I was right. Like it's some kind of tropical, right? It's a little bit south. So I said it's not Scandinavia, right? And it's definitely not Germany, right? So I was like either it's gonna be like Italy, Spain, or Malta, something like that, or it will be Mexico, right? Because of, you see, it was pretty hot. There was hot plants as well. The railroads, like the structure of the building, the architecture, like, yeah, cool. All right. Again, tropical, right? Yeah. Here we have no trail racks. Okay. What is this? What does it say? Did it say Google? Did it say Google? What can I zoom in on this? See? We are. You're right. What does it say? Wait, tell me, what does it say? I cannot read it. What is this camera? It's so bad. I cannot read it. Yeah, again, definitely tropical. This way. Wait. Arona. Oh, wait, guys. Okay. This is definitely, okay. Either this is Malaysia, or it's the Philippines, or it's Indonesia, or it's what is called because you are riding on motorbike. And I know for a fact, because I've been visiting all the places, right? I know for a fact they are riding the motorbike. They drive 2 people. They drive so like inconsistent, like always like everywhere, right? Okay, let's see here. And they have tuk-tuk. They have tuk-tuk. They have tuk-tuk. Okay. This must be... Yeah, look at the skin tone. And they're like building something here. This must be the Philippines, right? It must be the Philippines, right? Tuk-tuk. This is tuk-tuk, right? Isn't it? These small buses you are always driving around here. Okay. This has to be the Philippines. Has to be the Philippines. My question is where in the Philippines? Okay. Okay. I mean, all right. I was close. Close. Right? You have Kapan here, and then you have Cebu City here. I was doing speech here in front of 5,000 people here in Cebu City. Back when I was an influencer. Fun. That's fun. This is fun, guys. Okay, back to the trading. How do we turn off this sound? Okay, cool. Guys, we are running here. Remember, our TB1 is going to be 34 right there. So maybe we can reach it now. Let's see. We are running currently 200 plus pips, okay? We're coming closer. Here, 200 pips here. 41. Yes. Guys, please take some more partial. 200 pips plus partial. There you go. Right there. And now what you can do, you can trail your stop loss to just above this top wick here. Why? Because this one has already been filled, okay? This fair value gap has been filled. We got a top wick, a nice, beautiful top wick, and this fair value gap here has been filled as well. That means if price comes up and takes out 60, price should come back up to 70, 80, right? Does it make sense? So I trail my stop loss to 60. So now we are risk-free already, but now we trail it to 60. 60.3, okay? Great. So our TB1 is going to be 34. That will give you 300 pips. You live in Cebu City? Really, lady? All right. Next time I'm there, I should come visit. Definitely. Let's see. See if we can reach it. But yeah, guys, I used to be in network marketing. So I used to be, build communities and help people with making money from doing multi-level marketing while trading and stuff like that. And it's fun, and it's like brings people together, and you can create great communities, and you can be on stage and learn a lot about being confident and stuff like that. But in the end, it's about people, right? And if the people on the top are making all the money and the people at the bottom doesn't make a lot of money, then you are kind of disappointing the people on the bottom, right? So either you have to be early or you have to be really good at your shit. So if you're really good at network marketing, you can reach out to a lot of people and you can help a lot of people, but you also gotta remember the people at the bottom, right? So eventually I went my own way, and I said, like, you know what, I rather wanna help people online on Twitch for free, right? Bro, your live session on Asia session, please. Yes, it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen, bro. It's gonna happen next week. When was this, bro? It was 2-3 years ago, Asian. I think back in 2024, 2023. Yeah, I think so. I was in Cebu City in 21. 21 after the pandemic. End of 21. End of 21. Start of 22. I think. December, January, February, something like that. Okay, guys, so we swept this low here at 43, and we came down to 41. So now this is what we were waiting for, entertainment here, right? For the next entry, we are now making a fair value gap, right? We're now creating this fair value gap. Do you see that? So what I want to see now is price closing bearish down here and then have a retest. Then we can enter again here, okay? But we need to see the bearish closure below here first, okay, guys? The bearish closure below here, then we can wait for retest and then sell again. Okay? All right, let's do another one. Do another one. But guys, again, I'm horrible at this, okay? Just so you know. We should have all this down to 50%. I don't even know if this music is copyrighted or non-copyrighted. Is it non-copyrighted or copyrighted, guys? Oh, wait, what is this? Yo, Tropical again. Coca-Cola. Oh, not sponsored, by the way, guys. Not sponsored. Okay. Oh, we got mountains, guys. We got mountains. Ah. Look at these small vans here. Okay. Oh, okay. Definitely some definitely either this is gonna be Japan, or it's gonna be Taiwan, or it's gonna be China. But I'm horrible. I'm horrible. There's a harbor. Okay. And they have water tanks. They have water tanks for their water supply at the harbor here. And these stones, that's definitely not something you have in Scandinavia, that's for sure. What does it say here? What does it say? What is that? Araki. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Araki. Right? It must be Japan. But where is that? The coast, though? But is that the coast, guys? Is that the coast? So it has to be Osaka, right? Or it has to be... But there are so many coasts here, bro. Like, how should I... Okinawa? Miyazaki? Electric pole? There's a pole? Isn't there a pole here? No, this is not an electric pole, though. The wires goes here, but the wires go through the city. Look, it's like they go up through the mountains. But there are mountains here, guys, so it's close to the coast, and then you have to find mountains. But can you see on the map here where the mountains are? Can you see where the mountains are? I don't know. I'm gonna go for Niskin. I mean, okay. Okay. It wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. It was close. Okay. 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 All right. Okay. We are... Guys, we're cooking. We're cooking. Bro, what is this? Highway. Okay, what does it say here? What does it say here? What does it say? This must be Finland, right? Isn't this Finland? Guys, you don't know. It's not USA. What are you talking about? You don't have this kind of language in USA. Come on. This must be Finland or Ireland or like this is, guys, this is close to Scandinavia. This is close to where I am. This is close to Scandinavia. Right? Yeah, they even have, like, we used to have this. We used to have this. But guys, come on. We don't have this language in USA and in New Zealand. Come on. Ah, come on, guys. Don't be like that. That's Finland, right? Ireland or Finland? What should we go for, guys? Ireland or Finland? But why is the language... Wait, you had right, it's New Zealand. But why is the language so fucked up? Why was there was not English? But there was not English. Can we agree that's not English? Yep, I know, Babs, but there's... You speak English, right? It's the native language. Wait, they have their own language? Wait, what? This is, guys, I'm horrible at this. New Zealand language. Maori. Oh. Okay. All right. Maori. I didn't know that, guys. That's on me. I thought it looked very Finnish. The language that they speak in Finland, because I'm from Scandinavia, right? So I have like this, you know, I know a little bit about like my you know, my neighbors, right? But I didn't know they speak another language. If this was in English, yes, I would have guessed something like New Zealand, but not in a million years did I think it was New Zealand, because I didn't know they had a second language. I thought in New Zealand you speak English like in USA. I'm sorry, that's on me. Sorry. Okay. This is Germany, guys. Germany. 30. MC Papa. They have DHL, yes. This is Germany. Laksak. Tate. Look at that. Germany or Switzerland? Guys, Germany or Switzerland? What do you want to go for? What do you want to go for? Germany or Switzerland? It's up to you. Berlin? Austria? Yeah, it could also be Austria. Switzerland, Austria, or Germany, yeah. But since it could be Switzerland or Austria, I'm gonna put it in the middle here so that we will get less punished. Okay? We'll get less punished. All right? So we know that it can be Switzerland or Austria, but I put Germany. Dresden in Germany, guys. Dresden in Germany. I was about to put it here in the middle here, but I didn't want to get punished in case it was Switzerland or Austria. But it's Germany. Dresden. Yeah. View results. 12,854. You earned your first bronze medal. Okay, I'll take it. It's my first time. I don't know anything about anything. So yeah, cool. I'll take it. Great. Guys, how did I do? My first time ever playing GeoGuessr, I guess. GeoGuessr? How did I do? Okay, guys, we got a 15-minute bearish closure, as I said to you, right here. Boom. I'm waiting for the retest, and then we can take a more sell, okay? So our sell is going to be here from 49. Stop loss is going to be above this high, okay? So less than 100 pips. All right? You ready? Guys, if you're not in this sell yet, you can get a second sell here. Right there. Okay? Wait for the retest. Do 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 do. Let's go, guys. You're the best. Are you broadcasting tomorrow? I am live every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So I will also be live Wednesday and Thursday. But, my friend, this might be the last week for now where we're going to be live doing the New York session. I think... Hey! I just want to see you. Give me all your power all night long.
Abizo6 subbed and joined the Obits fam.
Thank you so much, Abby, for the tier 1 subscription. Thank you so much for following here. And also thank you for joining and getting started with your trading journey. Now also on the VIP. We welcome you. Always nice. So, guys, we're waiting for that 15-minute fair value gap here. But what I said to you before, bro, is that I think this is going to be my last New York session where we are actually going to take trades on Thursday, right? For the New York session, because New York session doesn't really move. Asia session moves much more. So I would like to try next week to go live doing the Asia session instead. But we might do both. I don't know. I also have to see, because right now, you know, you people who are coming here every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, you kind of got the schedule. So it will be a lot to you know, just suddenly change, right? So I want to see how many people is actually tuning in once we do the Asia session, and if people are enjoying it. If they don't, we just go back to New York session again. I just want to try for 1 or 2 weeks, okay? Asia next week, yes, on Tuesday. Officially in VIP, check Telegram Obits. Let's go. Sorry, just joined. Are we in a sell? Yes, we're in a sell from 62 to 63, bro. And we have trailer stop loss down to 60.3. Now we are currently waiting for another retest to take another sell down here. Okay? So if you want to take another sell, you didn't get in for the first one, you have to wait for price to come up to 48. Okay? I'll be right back, guys. I will be trading during the Asia session next week. Yes. So what in my time, 00, you know, like will be when the Asia starts. But that's the Sydney one. That's the Sydney one. It's not really, you know, it's not the good Asia session. The good Asia session will be the Tokyo one, right? From 02 or 03 a.m. right? 03 a.m. is usually when price moves a lot, but 02, 02:30, sometimes price can start moving there. I think what I will do is I will go live between 2 a.m. to 4 a.m. Okay, so for 2 hours, I will be taking trades. So we can either catch like right at 2 a.m. or we can catch the move at 2:30 a.m. or we can catch the move at 3 a.m. or even 3:30, right? And then 4, I will end the stream, whether we are in profit or not, or I will just trail my stop loss and go risk-free, or I will call it a day, right? Because I have to sleep. For me, it's very early, right? So, yeah. On 3 a.m., yeah, sometimes 2, sometimes 3. 2 a.m. from where, bro? Where are you from? The Asia session, bro. There's only one Asia session. This is the New York session. After this, Asia session will happen, right? New York session will close here in 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah. New York session will close in 5 hours from now, right? 5 hours and 22 minutes. So after that, there will be 1 hour break and then Asia session will start. But the first 2 hours is not really Asia session. It's like the transitioning from New York to Asia, and it's not really interesting. So I will be going live at 2 a.m. So after 2 hours after the Asia session open, that's when I will be live, bro. You don't have to look at what time. You just have to look at when Asia session starts. If you don't know when Asia session starts, I highly encourage you to go here. Here, the free forex system. Go here, and then you can go to here, and you can see here, Asian session, Tokyo, 11 p.m. to 9 a.m. Right? 6 p.m. to 4 a.m. But the thing is, 11 p.m. here would be like 1 hour after the New York session stops, right? So they're calling it that after the New York session stops, it will be Asia session. But the first 2 hours is not interesting. It's not interesting at all. So you just have to figure out when the Asia session is for you. But there's only one Asia session, so it will always be the same time. But I can tell you, the Asia session starts in 6 hours from now. 6 hours from now. And that doesn't matter your time zone, anything like that. Asia session starts 6 hours from now. Okay? So if you want to join for my Asia session, that will be on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday next week, 8 hours from now. Okay? I'll probably also put it on my Twitch. Guys, I will probably also put it on my Twitch. So when you go to my Twitch and you scroll down, let me just do this real quick here. Okay. So when you go to my Twitch here, right, you can just scroll down. And then down here, there will be a timer. There'll be a timer saying here 4 hours until live or something like that. Okay? 4 hours or something like that. And then you will just see when I'm going live there. I think I will do it like that because it's going to be difficult. But the first week, I will also put it in the Xauusd channel so you guys can be updated when I go live. Okay? You can see here. You can see here guys. This channel here, Xauusd, right? Remember, Xauusd trading here, in here, where I put this. I talked about accounts management here, right? Here. I've also put in here that I will be live. Okay? So, next week, Asia session, right? From next week, I will try Asia session, right? Okay, I'll put something like that. Okay? And then you can be updated here. If you're not in here already, then just check the link. It should be here, Telegram. I think if you go here. Yeah. If you go here, the Telegram comes up and you should be brought in here. And I will put the update here, okay? Great. Guys, we are back here at 47 now. Our entry will be here at 49, okay? Let's see if we can get it. No idea, Babsi. No idea. Just look for the update. I don't follow the same 4-hour as you. I'm on forex.com. Okay? So my 4-hour is different if you're on Oando or something like that. I don't know if you're on Oanda or what kind of broker you're using, or if you're using TradingView this way or you're using it another way. I'm on forex.com, so the 4-hour just closed here above 4,158. A new 4-hour has started, and we are currently here. So it probably looks different to you. All right, guys, we're at 48 with 10 pips from entry. And let's see. Thank you for the follow. Naoto, we are already in a sell here from 62, 63. We're risk-free. We ran 200 plus pips, even more. 210 pips, and now we're waiting for re-entry here in this zone here, right here. So, waiting for price to come up here and retest. $62, $65, ready sell. We are already in at 62, 63. No, we're not gonna go there. I mean, we're not gonna enter there. Does it need a candle to close in there? No. We want a candle to come up, tap it, and then close below. If we don't get a closure below, then we cannot take it, right? If we get a closure inside of it, we're not going to take it. We need to see spike up and then a closure below. Thank you for the subscription, Bilmas. Okay, we got a closure below, guys. So I'm waiting for retest and then take it down, okay? Let's see. And we are 10 pips away. What is the entry point? It's 49. Mm-hmm.
They just want to see you do the power. If you wanna dance.
Mascalatino79 subbed and joined the Obits fam.
Hey, Masca, thank you so much for the tier 1 subscription as well. Welcome, welcome to the Obits fam. Let's see here if we can come up and take our second trade here. Guys, it was 10 pips away. It was 10 pips away from my entry. We didn't tap into the fair value gap, so let's see if we get it. Please watching forever candle on one time. What do you mean with that? Entertainment. Thank you so much, Maska, and thank you so much, Abi, for the tier 1 subscription. Guys, I just want price to come up and tap here because we already closed below. So for me, this is pretty bearish. Price is so slow today. But we have no news and we have no catalyst, so of course price is slow. Come on, little friend. Remember, guys, when we were stuck here in this 15-minute consolidation and then eventually we broke down? Same thing is happening here right now. So if we can get a top wick right there and then come down, break the low, be perfect for us, right? And just delete this now. Simply wait for our entry. So guys, we are in at 62, 63. You can see that trade right there. Second trade is going to be here from 49. We haven't tapped it yet. I always 4,149 is the best entry for a retest. In my case, yes, because I'm already in here at 62, 63. So I don't see why price should come up now. You had a low here, and then you had another low here. So a retest into the 50-minute fair value gap to get another low to sweep out this low here would make sense for me. Okay, let's see, guys. So if price came up to 49 here, we would have been in here already running 70 pips. But it is what it is. Maybe we get TB1 on the first trade. So it looks like this, guys. Like this. There. There you go. So it's a little bit more clean, right? Okay. Seems like we're gonna hit my TB1 first, guys. Let's see. So yeah, if we come down and we close below 30, then you cannot really get in for that trade. Then you have to wait for that retest into the 50-minute fair value gap after you come down to 33, 32, right? And then you gotta wait for that to come up, and then you can take that trade with stop loss just above here, and then you take it down to 16, and then eventually 4,100, right? Anybody still in at the 62 with me? We're running 200 plus pips here. $71. That's VIP, lady. Oh yes, in at 62.4. Nice. I'm in at 49. How do you get in at 49? Oh, you sold when you had this 50-minute bearish closure? Oh, that was a huge gamble, bro. But great, it went your way. I'm happy for you, man. But this could easily have been a bearish closure, and then you come up and you retest the order block here. Luckily, it had another 50-minute candle to confirm the downtrend here, right? But yeah. Hey, FOMO, bro. Yeah. Are we risk-free or moving stop loss down at all? We are risk-free here. 62, 63, risk-free. Stop loss at PE, 60.3. 200 plus pips partial. Like, guys, you don't read. It's here. You can read it. Can I put it higher? I cannot put it bigger. No, I cannot put it bigger. I'm sorry, it's the biggest I can put it. We're about to hit TB1, guys. Let's go! I'm in on 69. 69! 69!
It's so big!
Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running?
FBI, open up!
Alright, guys, we're coming down here. 39 now. Into the fair value gap here. Right there. If we can manage to break through this fair value gap and come down and sweep this low here at 34, 32, then we will reach TB1. There it is, guys. Look at that. 37, 67. Really, really nice. Look at that. We are in the final fair value gap here. So if price were to come up here, retest, then it would look something like this, right? Then you will have your confirmation. So we need to see a bearish closure either below this fair value gap, or we need to see it inside the fair value gap. Then have the retest to then roll over and come down, right? Beautiful. Looking good, guys. We are running here more than 250 plus pips, guys. After we hit TB1, I want you to take some more partial. That's 400 pips for you right there. What's your monthly profit trading gold? Monthly profit? It depends. Like when we were going to all-time highs last year, it was a lot, like $1 million. Not monthly, sorry, yearly. Monthly it will be 100K, I think. But now we're just consolidating, going back and forward between 4,000 and 4,200. Like, so it's not a lot, right? Like it's barely moving. Look at this in this month, bro. We haven't really moved. We went from, look at this. We went from 3,942, and now here after 7 days, we're still here. Like we are not even taking out 4,200. So for me, it's just 2,000 pips. It's barely nothing. So my runners from the low, I haven't even taken profit yet. I'm a long-term positioning trader, bro. So I only take big trades, right? I don't scalp. I don't do intraday trading or day trading. I only do it when I'm here on Twitch. Then I do intraday trading and day trading, but no scalps. So always going for 100 pips, 200 pips, 300 pips, right? So guys, we filled the fair value gap. Now the question is, are we going to have that retest, or are we going to go straight down to TB1? Let's see. Let's see. Are we going to have a retest here and have TB1? VIP trade is a snipe, bro. Thank you, John. Thank you, John. But you can see I mostly struggle when we consolidate, right, John? But when we trend, we make a lot of profit, like a lot of profit. Okay, guys, almost at TB1. Come on, baby. Just give me that 10 pips more. Give me that 10 pips more right here. Give it to me. Don't be shy. Give it to me, bro. Right there. Come on. 15 pips more. Come on. You close the entire fair value gap. Come down, sweep that missing bottom wick here at 33.1. Okay, I want to see 33.1 be taken out. I want to see them buyers here being taken out. Come on. Sweep this little bitch here. Give it a little slap. Like that. And then...
It's so big!
Come on, turn your radio on. It's Friday night and my dick. Let's go. Going too slow, love.
Why are you running?
Going too slow.
Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running?
Come on, 30 more pips. Come on. Come on. So close. Waiting for VIP community. Obits, come on, let's bank. Yes, once we hit TB1, you will see people be happy in the community. The same TP we have here on this trade here, we have the same one for VIP, but we have a much better entry and a much better risk to reward. So this one is 62 to 63, right? On VIP, bro, we're in here at 72, 73. So 100 pips, 110 pips better. And much better risk to reward with stop loss just above here, right? So it's all about timing and getting them good pips. All right, guys, 15-minute closed bearish inside the fair value gap, which is a very good sign because we didn't close above. If we closed above, that means buyers are here, they're taking it up. But since we closed inside or below it, then we can continue down, filling the entire fair value gap and coming down, grabbing that 33. Maybe even coming down here to 21. What is 9%? 21. Come on. Come on. Hourly just closed here at 140. I just need price to sweep this. Then I can tell you guys that we can re-enter here and then take it down. But it won't be on this stream because it's getting too late now. Unless we get a huge sweep and then come up here fast and we can get in for the next trade. That would be great. But I don't think we can make it. But then you can get the confirmation from me and you can take the trade yourself, right? Let's see. We are 30 pips away, guys.
Chain swinging, clang clang, and it costs a lot. Bitch, I'm always at the guala, yeah, and you are not badass beat. Keep on going till you hit the spot. Whoa, I'm a big bag hunter with the bow. She got a big bed, number drop it low. Mama called me and she happy with the grow.
Oh, price is so dying. So slow. It's okay, guys. Always, when is the right time to trail stop loss and where to put it? We already trail stop loss. I'm telling you again now here. We entered at 62, 63. We went risk free. Stop loss at BE at 60.3. If you're talking about this trade is not activated yet. We are still waiting for that confirmation. We're waiting for price to come down, hitting TB1, and then to retrace up here, grabbing some of that liquidity, and then to enter the trade to take it all the way down here to 21 or 4,100. But we're not in that trade yet because price didn't tap us in. Okay, so this trade, price came up to 48 and 47, but we didn't tap 49, so I'm not in that trade. I'm only in this trade so far. But once you're in this trade, then what you will do is you will wait for 150 pips or 100 pips. Then you can trail your stop loss, go risk free, and take some partial. And then you can take it down to 21, and then down to 4,100, and then eventually 4,080, right? That's what you can do. What is that you always tell me, guys, when we are live? We never hit the TPs when I'm live. It always happens after I'm gone. Guys, I'm telling you, within the next 5-10 minutes, I have to go, right? And then after I'm gone, I'm telling you, once the 15-minute candle has closed, the next 15 minutes will probably hit my TP. And I'm not live anymore. You know what I mean? Like, it's always like this. Why is it always like that? Play more GeoGuessr before you go. Is reverse possible now? Why would reverse be possible now? You want to buy now? Why would you buy? Why would you buy without the sweep, bro? Why would you buy without the sweep, man? Look at this. Where did we target? We target the high of this session. We got the high and then we come down. Where are we targeting now? Do you think we're going to randomly just close here and then we're going to go up here? Or do you think we're going to target the low right there? I think we're going to target the low. Why not? Why not grabbing that sweet ass liquidity here, right? Why don't they come down here and a little bit like yippee-ki-yay, motherfucker? Like, you know? I'm not buying. I'm selling. I'm selling. Okay, guys. 10 more minutes. My camera said no. 2 seconds. All right, guys. Seems we're gonna get our retest first before we come down to hit the TP. It's okay. I'm all good with this. I'm risk-free. I have trailed my stop loss below entry. I've taken partial, and I'm waiting for price to come down to my TP. So again, guys, if price comes up here, taps 49 or 50, you can enter for a next trade, and then you can take it down. You can put your stop loss above these highs, these wicks here, but keep in mind, we did not tap the 50-minute fair value gap. We only came up to 60. So I would recommend you to put your stop loss all the way above these fair value gaps here. But this is just if you want to take this trade, right? I'm not going to take this trade because I'm not going to be live to take this trade with you guys. So I'm just rolling this down. I have my 70 entry, I have my 4,200 entry, and I have my 62 entry. I have plenty of sales coming down here. We are going for 4,080. And if price comes down and takes out 4,080, then this would be your next target, right? 3,976. Okay. So that's what I have for you. If you enjoyed this stream, let me know. And thank you so much for watching. Remember, we have copy trading, 100% risk-free, where I can trade for you, not on your own account, but I will trade my own account, and then it will be copied towards your account. And you don't have to do anything. It's 100% hands-free, and it's 100% free as well. You put the funds for copy trading. You need $1,500 plus. And if you don't have that kind of money, then you can do account management. Account management is like copy trading, but instead of me copy trading my trades to your account, then I'm taking your funds onto my account, and then I will do the trading on my account with $500 or $300 or whatever you have there. It doesn't have to be $1,500. This is just if you don't have that kind of money, right? So both things is available. For copy trading, reach out to my team. For VIP and for bootcamp and one-on-one session, reach out to my team. But if you want account management, if you don't want copy trading, then you can reach out to me right here. So right here. Okay. All right, guys. Remember, retest, new trade. If you don't see any confirmation, you don't take the trade. Okay, we're looking for confirmation always. We don't just take a trade. We don't just we don't randomly just jump into a trade. So if you don't see some rejection here, do not take the trade. Okay, take it down to the low, sweep that sweet low, and let's see if we can get down to my target of 3,976. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Love you. Take care. Have a good one. Bye bye.
Seen anybody do the thing